Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're going to do a reveal of what's inside this Lortone tumbler 6-pound barrel. I've had it tumbling on pre-polish for a few weeks now, and we're going to take a look and see what we're dealing with. Hopefully I can put this on final polish today. Let's open it up and find out. Oh, interesting. I wonder if I did not put enough water in this. There's a distinct possibility. Well, let's wash it off and find out. Let's give these a good wash. I might have to do this tumble again. Okay, let's see what we're dealing with. So, this barrel has a lot of jasper in it. What else do we got in here? Yeah, got some like this. Really cool patterns. What else? Got some agate, chalcedony chunks. What else? I tossed a few kind of like random stuff in there. Let's keep spraying this off. Definitely not clean enough. Yeah, there wasn't much slurry in there. I either didn't put enough water in or I didn't put enough grit in. This is a pre-polish. It might be good enough, honestly. Like this is a jasp agate, I would say. Some of it obviously, was not the best quality. I probably wouldn't tumble this one. And this is all like porcelain beads, just for cushioning. I put this stuff in the last few tumbles, basically all of them after step 1. I'll add this for cushioning so they don't get cracked. Yeah, I like these jaspers. This is a kind of a dark agate that I found in my area. This stuff looks okay. I think it might be good to move on to final polish. I'm not too worried about it, just so long as I get them cleaned off really well. I think this will be just fine. Yeah, these are ready to go to final polish. I usually do a 24-hour tumble with some like just plain ivory soap. It burnishes them. This one, I'm not sure if I'll send it to final polish just yet. It's got some pretty big holes right here. I didn't take it down enough in step 1. But this is a fun piece of jasper also. Alright, we'll bring it back out when they're done with final polish in just a couple weeks.